The watch that saved lives is about to change them forever. Since 2022, the Apple Watch Ultra has been the undisputed king of rugged wearables. It was built for the explorers, the deep-sea divers, and the marathon runners who push the human body to its absolute breaking point. But for the last couple of years, let's be honest, it's felt a bit familiar. The same chassis, the same design, the same core sensors. But as we look toward late 2026, the silence from Cupertino is being broken by whispers of a device so advanced it feels like it belongs in a decade we haven't reached yet. This isn't just the Apple Watch Ultra 4, it is the death of the smartwatch, as we know it, and the birth of a medical-grade, tactical workstation on your wrist. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you're wearing an Ultra 1 or even the recently released Ultra 3, you need to pay very close attention. Because the leaks coming out of the supply chain suggest that Apple isn't just iterating, they are reinventing the very concept of wearable technology. We are talking about the Ultra Redesign, the 2-nanometer revolution, and the introduction of biometric security that changes everything. Stay with me, because we are diving deep into every single secret of the Apple Watch Ultra 4. Let's start with the one thing everyone notices first, the design. For 3 generations, the Ultra has been a tank, thick, chunky, and unashamedly bold. But the Ultra 4 is rumored to introduce the first major architectural shift in the series' history. We are hearing reports of a 15 to 20% thinner titanium chassis. Now, don't worry, Apple hasn't compromised on durability. By utilizing a new aerospace grade 5 titanium alloy with a more refined internal bracing system, they've managed to shed the bulk while actually increasing the watch's crush resistance. This is the watch that finally transitions from the rugged mountain trail to the boardroom without feeling out of place. It's slimmer, sleeker, and features a new, dark titanium finish that is deeper and more scratch-resistant than anything we've seen before. It looks like a precision instrument rather than a piece of sports equipment. But the real magic is what that thinner body is holding. Welcome to the era of the 3500 nit tandem OLED display. If you thought the current 3000 nit screen was bright, you haven't seen anything yet. The Ultra 4 is designed to be readable even in the blinding glare of high-altitude glaciers or the direct midday sun of the Sahara. The tandem technology, borrowed from the iPad Pro, uses 2 layers of OLEDs to deliver incredible brightness without the risk of burn-in or massive battery drain. And there's more. The bezels are shrinking. We are moving toward a 2.1-inch edge-to-edge canvas that makes the interface feel like it's floating on top of the titanium. It's a level of immersion that makes every other watch on the market look like a toy from the past. Now, let's talk about the feature that everyone has been asking for since the very first Apple Watch: biometric security. For the first time, the Ultra 4 is rumored to feature Apple Mesa, which is the internal code name for Touch ID on the watch. But it's not where you'd expect. Apple has reportedly managed to integrate a high-resolution biometric sensor directly into the digital crown or the action button. No more fumbling with passcodes when you're wearing gloves or when your hands are wet. Just a touch, and your watch is unlocked. This is a game changer for Apple Pay, for secure health data access, and for the action button itself, which can now be programmed to perform different tasks based on whose fingerprint is touching it. It's the kind of pro feature that separates the Ultra from